Hi, in this video we're going to do a Nightclub two-step move. It's called the hairbrush. Here it is. Some call it the waterfall.
So we're going to start with a pivot turn.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So Dick's going to break it down for us.
Okay, so leaders, what we're going to do is lead a pivot turn that is going to have a hand change. So it's like this. It's 1 and 2. She's going to start around. I'm going to look to make a hand change. 3 on count and 4. And I'm going to throw it over the top. Let me show it to you one more time. It's 1 and side step 2. I've finished my basic 3 and 4. So my hand is on her back, as you can see right here. So let's do that from this direction. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Notice I threw the hand and caught her on her back so she doesn't rock back anymore.
Let's do it from this direction.
Okay, pivot turn, 1 and 2, hand change 4.
You really couldn't see the hand change.
Let's do it from here.
Okay. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
I think we got a good look at it right there.
Okay.
So there's 3 and 4. From here, I'm going to rock back and do a hairbrush with my left hand. And 2, I shake hands with the right. 3 and 4. Shake hands from the left. We'll show this from several directions so you'll be able to see what's happening.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. So let's show it from this direction.
Okay, so the pivot turn came around.
Let's do it. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Now notice, I am shaking left hand to left hand with the girl, just like normal, and I've thrown the hand over the top to stop her. I'm going to do just kind of rotating basics like we would in flip-flops. Rock back 1 and hand loop and take a right hand shake. Rock back again. 1 and 2 shake hands. 3 and 4 shake hands. 1 and 2 shake hands. 3 and 4.
Okay, so let's do it from another side. Let's do it. The back one doesn't work. This one.
Okay, we'll do this one. We'll get into
1 and 2,
the pivot turn.
3 and 4.
Immediately, I shake hands left to left. My hand stops her on the back. Now, I'm going to rock back. 1, this hand goes up and does the hairbrush. I throw it away. And I've already collected the right hand shake. 3 and 4, left hand shake, and 2 right hand. 3 and left hand. And the other hand is going up and over, letting go about there.
So you'll notice, do one more, Dick.
Okay.
1 and 2. Notice he let go here. I do my own hair. 3 and 4. I brush my own hair, the hairbrush. There we go. So that's what's happening there. All right.
Okay,
so
then we want to complete this.
Right.
So we'll get into it. I usually do 2 or 3 pair. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 1 and 2. That was one set. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. The girl, my partner, is off on the right hand side of me right now. I'm going to do what's called my big finish. I'm going to rock back and send her diagonal across the room in front of me and do a head loop at the end. Watch. 1 and this goes up and over. 3 and I head loop myself. I rock back with no hands. 2 and pick up and closed.
Okay, let's do that one more time.
Okay, so here is the big finish from this direction. Okay, I'm going to do the rock back. I still have my left hand shake. This hand is going to go up and over.
And then he's going to run around behind me.
Right, I'll track around on the other side of her.
1 and 2.
She started. I'm going to go around this way and walk straight. 3 and 4. Throw the hand over my head. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Let's try that big finish from this side. So,
Okay, so I'm rocking back here. Again, she's on my right hand side. That would be count 4. The new pattern starts with 1.
1 and 2. You can see where he's going.
I let her go. I change lanes. 3 and 4. and then rock back into a side cross side from a left turn.
Okay, we're gonna do the whole thing from here.
All right, so here we are going into
One
the pivot
and
turn.
2, 3
And change.
4.
Shake
1
hands.
and
Up
2,
and over.
3 and 4.
One more
1
step.
and 2, 3.
Big finish coming up.
1
She
and
starts to
2,
turn. I chase her
3
down.
and 4.
Left
1
hand.
and 2, 3 and 4. And that's the hairbrush. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.